grabbing a little bit of candy corn here, and we're pouring that right into the space between those two vases that we put in there. I got a couple in there. Let's just take those out. Perfect. Now I grabbed these super cute little peep ghosts from the store, and I really wanted to do something with these. These are going to be perfect. On top of our candy corn, we're gonna come down with just a few ghosts right there, just like that. And you can see that we are just kind of coming around all the bottom of this vase right here, making one row of these cute little ghosts. Super easy. Look at how cute those guys are. Oh my goodness, I love them. Okay, so on top of those ghosts, we're gonna grab some more candy corn and we're gonna push it all the way around, kind of just layering, sandwiching in these ghosts right here with that candy corn. Some cute little Peeps pumpkins as well. And we're gonna do the same thing here. We're just gonna place these orange pumpkins right here, just like so, on top of that layer. So we're just kind of layering these cute little marshmallows along with our candy corn. Look at how cute this is. What a great idea to decorate for Halloween. Okay, you guys, one more time, we're gonna come in with a little bit more candy corn, pouring that right there. Oh, let's open that space a little bit. Okay. Pouring that right there on top of our cute little pumpkin guys there. See? All that candy. Do you like candy corn? I know like it's kind of a hit or miss. Some people love candy corn, other people not so much. I feel like sometimes if I'm in the mood for it. Okay, I don't know why this bag is giving me so much trouble, but here we go. We're pouring all that candy corn in there. Get some of those on top. Oh my goodness, this is coming together fabulous. All right, so now we have one more layer of ghosts. We're just gonna put right there on top. Super, super cute. Okay, you guys, we are moving right along here. Oh, we have those ghosts on the top. And you know what? I'm gonna come and I'm gonna sprinkle just a little bit more candy corn right here on the top. It's gonna come into some of those little tiny spaces, and we're just adding a little bit there for some color. Oh, look, we got some cute little pumpkins here. Let's go ahead. We'll place some of those on the top here. Turn that little pumpkin around. Ooh, that looks adorable. Okay, we got some pumpkins and we got some ghosts. We have this delicious candy corn. Look how super easy that was. I better take these out of here. Those wouldn't be good for the flowers. I can't imagine. All right, you guys, let's start coming in and building some flowers here. Ooh, I have some baby's breath, fresh from the market. Can't get really much better than this. I'm gonna start just by placing some baby's breath right here inside my vase. Let's see. Ooh, you know what? My cat also seems to really love this baby's breath. I'm gonna start off with 3 baby's breath because I really want a nice, big, vibrant bouquet that I'm going to be gifting to a friend as we go over there this weekend. They're going to love this. Okay, you guys, so we need a little pop of color. I have some beautiful purple flowers here. And you know what? I just feel like purple is the perfect little spike of color for Halloween. Ooh, it looks so good with all the other Halloween stuff. And these are really bringing together the orange and the white. It looks so good. How is that looking over there, babe?
Looks good.
These flowers look amazing and they smell so good. I love them. Okay, I think I'm gonna do one more purple right over here. That looks fabulous. Okay, and now I have some of these cute orange flowers here. What are these orange, gosh, I want to say mums, but I feel like I'm wrong. Tell me if you know what these are. And look, we're just sticking these guys. I definitely want a couple of them right here in the front.
The sunflowers?
No, they're not sunflowers.
Oh.
But they do kind of seem a little bit sunflowerish, huh? So we want these orange guys. They come together so good with purple and white. Oh, this is so great for the holidays, you guys. Halloween is just around the corner. It's going to be here in the blink of an eye, I swear, just like everything else. Okay, we want to spread this out. Let's see, do we have some orange in the front? Let's move this guy around. Just going to take my cutting shears here. We're just going to get rid of this branch right here, and we're going to get rid of this one too. Oh, look at that. It has come along so good, you guys. Check out how easy that was. Look at this beautiful Halloween bouquet. I absolutely love this. This will stay good. You can keep this out. What a great idea this is. I love this, you guys. Happy Halloween and enjoy. Ooh. Ah, yes.